I want to take a quick deep dive into how you might use video in your presentations to make them more interactive. One thing you might consider doing is looking for YouTube videos that perhaps act as a source in your presentation, and then you would just use a tiny clip from that video. Now, you don't want your clip to be 3 minutes because your presentation is supposed to be you talking. So using like a 30-second clip or just a quick quote from an expert might be something that's really helpful to engage your audience. So let's take a look at how you can customize video inside of Keynote, Slides, and PowerPoint. First is Keynote. So I've already copied a link from YouTube that I'm going to put into my Keynote. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here to Media, choose Web Video, paste that in, and that's going to place the video into my slide. Now I can resize that as I want, and then I can animate it to make it start, for example, automatically. And then I can also make it automatically stop. To do that, I'm just going to select the video, build out, add an effect, stop video. And if I click on build order, I can make that happen after build 1. With a delay perhaps of 5 seconds. The sort of bad part about Keynote is that it's hard to start a video that you got from YouTube in the middle, which is maybe something that you're going to need to do. If you have a video that you downloaded from a source, or maybe you were able to take an original video, or you got something like stock video from Pexels, you're going to insert that video by going to Media, choose, and then select the video. And once it's in, you can resize it, and then you'll animate it in a similar way, but you can add text over top. You can add other animations over top. It just is a little better in Keynote if you're using an original video or stock video that you've uploaded. And then you can be a little more precise with which part you want to use. All right, let's take a look at Slides. Slides is actually the most powerful tool if you're going to be using clips of videos in your presentation. What you're going to do is you are going to grab the link, hop over into your slides, and you're going to go to Insert Video, select that video that you'd like to use, insert, and then just kind of resize it to fit your needs. And when you have that video selected, the video playback format options panel is going to appear, and you can change that to play automatically or on click. And then you can also customize the start and end time. So this video is 12 minutes. What I might do is I might scrub forward to 1:45, use that time, and then scrub forward again and use the current time. And that's going to start my video at a specific time and end it at a specific time. So that's how you can really get a precise quote from a source from YouTube using Google Slides. So I really almost prefer Google Slides for this. The last option is PowerPoint. With PowerPoint, you can actually start your video at a particular time. So if I come back to my video and I want to use a clip that starts at, say, 1:06 here, I'm going to share it, and I'm going to have that clip start at 1:06 where I want it to go. I'm going to copy that and paste it into PowerPoint. So we're going to go insert video from an online movie, and it's pasting in the video where I started it from. Now I can set up animations to stop the movie at a certain time. So if I wanted to play like 10 seconds of a clip, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this pause here. This is where it's going to stop. So it's starting. We're going to start it on click, and then I'm going to have it stop after 10 seconds. And I can also stop it on click if I wanted to do that. So those are just some things that you would have to play around with to get the actual quote or information from your source inside of your presentation.